There are three major components relating to any artist that uses Cinema 4D in production. One is their artistic capabilities, the other is their technical knowledge of Cinema 4D, and finally certain industry standard workflow practices. Evaluating someone's artistic abilities lies solely with the employer's or client's discretion. On the other hand, it's very hard for either to evaluate quickly and accurately the ability of someone to work inside Cinema 4D. This is where the new Maxon user certification comes in. Maxon has developed a list of Cinema 4D related topics which are considered to be the minimum required knowledge for a Cinema 4D generalist to understand in order for them to work in a production environment. This is what we call the topic list. It covers a large part of Cinema 4D's toolset, although not everything, and various topics are covered at different levels. Rather than seeing this as the ultimate Cinema 4D knowledge base, it's better to think of it as a springboard. Good knowledge of these topics will allow any user to continue learning with relative ease and expand their knowledge to other areas, while at the same time enable them to work in a production environment. This topic list was compiled over a long period of time using feedback from studios, users, trainers, and other industry professionals. It is a live project that will change and improve as Cinema 4D and the industry evolves. The end goal is to create a level of standardization for the technical ability of Cinema 4D users that will become industry standard. A key part of this is the Cinema 4D Basics Comprehensive Certification Test. This is a test designed to evaluate someone's knowledge of the aforementioned topics. The test is conducted virtually, one-on-one with a certified trainer, lasts up to 4 hours, and requires the user to share their screen and have a camera and a microphone. They will get access to a series of project files, which they will use according to the instructor's requests, and execute a number of tasks in order to demonstrate their ability to use Cinema 4D and solve simple problems. The tasks vary in complexity and are designed to test multiple areas at the same time. In order to pass the test, someone must score 90% and above. If a user tests between 75 and 89%, they will fail with the ability to retake a limited time test on the failed topics. Failing with less than 75% requires a full retest, both at a later time. Anyone can take this test without a requirement to have undergone specific training. Regardless of how you learn Cinema 4D, you are allowed to take the test if you feel confident to do so. Any certified trainer or master trainer can administer the test and is within the user's discretion to choose one. Talking about certified trainers, if you wish to become one, you need to do two things. First, you need to pass the Cinema 4D Basics Comprehensive Certification Test with full marks 100%, even if you need to retake it to achieve that score. Then, you will have to do the Certified Trainer Test, which is a 2-hour teaching test with 2 master trainers that will evaluate your ability to teach any subject from the list. For both tests, there's more information online if you go to the links provided in the description below.